Hello, welcome back, or welcome to the Sacred Gates Ascension podcast. My name is Illura, and I just wanted to do a quick video on the lower Dantian, the middle Dantian, and the upper Dantian. And some of the balances that a lot of us find ourselves in is that we often get too many thoughts and too much energy in the upper Dantian, which is our head, throat, but mainly the head area. Now, if we have too much energy up in this area, stored up in this area, it can lead to burnout of our vital energy. And our vital energy is stored in, not so much stored, but resonating and flowing in our lower Dantian, also known as the lower cauldron. And so when our energy is too stuck up in our thoughts, we drain our vital energy and our life force energy. So it's great to have a daily practice where we actually are emptying and releasing, emptying and letting go of all that stuck up energy in our upper Dantian to flow through our emotional center, the middle Dantian, and through down into the lower cauldron and out down through our bubbling wells. And one of the ways we can do that, just a little tip, if you already have a practice, your Qigong practice, your energy practices, where you do what you could call, like a grounding exercise to allow the energies to flow back through down into the earth. One little tip that I've been working on lately is from the qua area here, where your legs join your body. Whether you can do this in standing practice or seated practice, slightly tip your body forward from the quas, so that your central column, you have a left and right column, but your central column is slightly bent forwards a little bit. It's straight, but it's leaning forwards. And this helps to activate the energy pathways and also your physical structure. It gets a slight challenge from that forward angle, and also helps you to become more aware of your lower cauldron and all of this area here you become more aware of as it builds its integrity, its structural and energetic spiritual integrity. And this helps us to feel the pathway through the central column and clear out any of that build-up of tension at the end of the day, or if you're someone that wakes up with a lot of energy stuck up in your mind after being in the dream world, in the astral world, to help to clear all that out into the lower cauldron. And I'll also keep your eye out for another video I'll do on the lower cauldron and allowing the energies to steam up. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.